Merry Christmas.
But it is Christmas. That's why you got presents. Can you say Happy Birthday, Jesus?
Wait, no. Whose is that? That's hers.
Are we gonna wait for somebody?
Yep, that's Natalie from Auntie Odd.
The box?
Yeah. Natalie.
I think I left it in the car
that's
actually.
what I gave you.
I can go get it.
See if you have several like that.
Also I
If you
left a
do,
little
I'll
pop out there,
exchange
but
it.
Okay, yeah, that would be good to bring in.
I set an alarm for
If she
6
does,
o'clock to
I
make sure that.
give it to
Oh,
some other
I would
people.
bring it.
Yeah.
She might-
Who's that from? Who's that from?
That's from Auntie Odd.
Auntie Odd.
Oh boy, can you open it?
Where is Angie on?
Where's Auntie Odd?
Where is she?
Where is she?
Natalie, where is she?
She's in
Where's
her
Andy Odd?
present trance now.
She's a trance.
She said, wait
Yeah.
until I get this package open and then I'll figure out where she is.
Winnie the Pooh?
In the freezer maybe. Yeah, I think it was.
It's a bear.
Very well taken.
Yeah.
There you go.
Pull, 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 pull. Oh my, what is that?
Keep going. Keep going. Maybe she's got one before. I don't know.
Keep going.
Musical.
Oh, I don't know if she does it.
Okay.
Oh my, what's that? Oh my.
Push the button. And it'll
Can you push the button? Push the smile face.
Oh. Oh.
Let's count some farm friends.
Oh, that's a farm.
Can you push it again?
What is that?
Sing with me. Count a cow and hear a moo. Count some yellow duckies too. Pigs and sheep and other friends. Counting fun just never ends.
Is that from
Wow.
Audrey?
You like that, Natalie?
It's a
Huge.
sunny day on the farm.
Moo.
Hi there.
Or does it on if they want it?
Let's
Get
count
off
some
the-
farm friends. Sing with me. Count a cow and hear a moo. Count some yellow duckies too. Pigs and sheep and other friends. Counting fun just never ends.
Can you say, go say thank you? Give her a hug. She got it for you.
You gotta
Give
give
her a
her a
hug.
hug.
Give Audrey a hug. She got you the present. Can you give her a hug? Say thank you.
On the farm.
Would you like that?
Are big and small. Can you count them all?
Can you count?
3 silly piggies.
Oh, 3 little piggies.
I think there's more to it. You gotta have
Oh,
it out
yeah.
of the box so
Oh,
you
I
can turn the
think-
pages.
Oh, I bet that's it. Let's try it. How do you get it out of the box?
Here,
Yeah, do it. Oh, I think that because they're more. They're
Probably
several
clipped
little-
in or something.
Probably.
Oh, 4.
Look, 4 smiling sheep.
1, 2, 3.
Count. Three silly
Is that
pigs.
fun, Natalie?
That'll be fun. Yeah, that's very cool.
Oink, oink,
You've
oink.
opened it right.
We better get a little scissors. It's probably
Right,
clipped in there.
all cooked together.
It's probably